Alright, Clark back here at Potential Pantry showing you cleavers now, aka Goose Grass. Goose Grass, how could you not want to enjoy something with a cool name like that? So Goose Grass, we're probably all familiar with this because you can almost wear this as a button because it'll stick right to you. So Goose Grass, aka cleavers, we're going to reference one of our friends, Brandon Ruiz, when we're talking about this. You can find him on Instagram at CLTHAP, and he's going to tell you all the medicinal benefits of this. But Goose Grass, aka cleavers, this is going to be a natural diuretic. You can juice this and it'll help stimulate your blood flow. It will also help with your lymphatic system, stimulating that, purifying that. Again, this is not a peer-reviewed study. This is Clark Barlowe telling you some medicinal things that we're referencing Brandon Ruiz, one of our good friends, doing some fantastic work here in Charlotte. Check him out, CLTHAP, and support his projects and everything he's doing. We're big fans of him. But Goose Grass, aka cleavers, this can be blended into a pesto. This can be juiced and taken as a tablespoon a day to do those immune boosting properties that we were just talking about. But Goose Grass, aka cleavers, one of the fantastic wild ingredients that you'll find right out in your front yard. Wear it as a button, eat it, enjoy it. I guarantee you will not be disappointed enjoying some Goose Grass. So get out there, find it, and enjoy it for yourself.